Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So to do that, you should hold for a while with your finger one from your device home screens, and after that you'll see here the FX icon. Just tap here once. Now we have selected the classic, the default one. You can switch it just to one from this available icons. So just for example, let's use this one. Just to save the changes, click here to home button, and now we can see that we just successfully changed device home screen animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.